Do you know that Windows 10 includes a hidden power mode which is normally reserved for high performance computers like workstation or gaming computers? And guys, do you know that this mode can be activated on Windows 10 Home and Pro versions? Depending on how you use your computer, you may be able to configure your Windows operating system to use a power plan that prioritizes either performance or energy savings. Since the version 18.03 of Windows 10, Microsoft has introduced a new power management scheme which is Ultimate Performance and which is mainly intended for high-end computers with Windows 10. By default, this mode is deactivated in Windows 10 Home and Professional machines. If the option is present in this operating system, it is hidden, but gladly we can however activate in a few clicks to take advantage of it on any computer. Ultimate Performance Power Scheme is for those users who need to squeeze every ounce of performance out of their machines. In this episode, I will show you how to activate the hidden Ultimate Performance Scheme on Windows 10. Let's get started. So guys, on the desktop, click on the start button over here, and type for command prompt. Once you see the command prompt, right click on it and click on run as administrator. So then Windows will ask you the permission to execute this command prompt as administrator. Click on yes, and you will see your command prompt is now running as administrator. So here we will type the command to enable the option of Ultimate Performance by using the command over here. Don't worry about the command guys, I have put this command in the description on this video. You can copy from there. So we copy the command and paste on command prompt. Once done, hit enter. Here the command prompt will tell you that your power mode Ultimate Performance is now enabled to use. So for that, we will open our power management mode on control panel. For this purpose, I'm going to show you the easiest way to go to the power management mode. For that, on your keyboard, press Windows and R button at the same time, which will bring you a run prompt. And over here, type for powercfg.cpl and hit enter or OK. Over here you can see previously we didn't have any option available for Ultimate Performance, but now you can see the Ultimate Performance radio button is enabled. So simply click on it, and now you can close this panel and you can restart your computer. Simply going to start button, restart, and on next restart your computer will be working on Ultimate Performance. Thanks for watching. I'm really hoping that you guys liked this video and found it helpful. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that it will help me to make more other videos. And let me know if you guys want me to make a video on topic you want. I'll be working to bring you guys with another video. Till then, bye bye.